comes down from Yellow Mountain. On a dark flat land she rides, on a pony she named Wildfire, with a whirlwind by her side. On a cold Nebraska night, they say she died one winter, when there came a killing frost, and the pony she named Wildfire busted down its stall. In a blizzard he was lost. She ran calling wildfire. She ran calling wildfire. She ran calling by the dark of the moon, I planted, but there came an early snow. There's been a hoot owl howling by my window now for 6 nights in a row. She's